Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me on this lovely sunny day. Day 6 of the bike build. The days are turned into consecutive videos. Who would have thought that? I'm still suffering with my hand. I can manage quite a lot, but when I stop, I get all the pain, and I'm desperately trying to avoid painkillers because it messes up the rest of my life. So, what are we talking about today? Fitting new tyres. It was a 4-inch back rim and a trail bike front rim. The front rim's been swapped for an 18-inch road race style rim, and the rear rim is still the same, and I've just removed the tyre. What a job. The new tyres came yesterday and they were scarily small in width. I'm trying to keep calm. They are designated 3-inch by 18 and 250 by 18 for the front, and that's a rib tyre. I keep telling myself that's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Oh, they look so skinny. The last bike I had, it had a tyre on it which was, I don't know, nearly 7 inches wide. Mad. So I'm going to fit these tyres, and hopefully when they get inflated, because I've bought inner tubes as well, hopefully when they get inflated they'll look like tyres from the bygone era, but suitable for riding on a racetrack. Not that I'll be riding, but I have to show that it's possible. Well, wish me luck on the fitting, and I'll get back to you with what they look like on the rims. Cheers. Hello, welcome back. Part 2. Whatever next? I left you before lunch talking about fitting tyres. So after a wonderful lunch cooked by myself, yes, I'm also a cordon red, sometimes blue, sometimes black chef. After a wonderful lunch, I headed back out to the garage to put the tyres on. Piece of cake. I guess that's a spoiler. Just fast forward to see them on the rims. I did film the process of adding the tyres to each rim. The wheels were mounted on a spindle in the large vise of my workshop. So I set my camera up and filmed it in all its glory. Suffice to say, no hiccups. I even found time to come in and cancel my appointment for Thursday at the local motorcycle dealers, where I'd arranged for them to put the tyres on for me. And they were very grateful and kind and offered more help in the future should I need it. But getting back to these tyres, they did look tiny. They look great on the rims. I suppose the next step is to see them fitted to the bike, but that's not for today. So it's a 250 by 18 on the front wheel, a rib tyre, and a 300 by 18 more of a racy block tyre for the back. I'll add the videos now, and I might fast forward them just to ease the pain of any viewer. But all I can say is good old eBay, good old Vietnam for producing them, soft and pliable. Maybe they don't last 5 minutes on the road, but my trailer queen needed something cheap and cheerful, so that's what I've got. Hope you enjoy watching it, learn something from it, and join me again next time. Cheers.